This reading is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Energy update May 1 to 15. Ayan. So, let's see the energies for you, Aquarius. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate. Pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book for a reading directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aquarius. What's the energy? May 1 to 15 for Aquarius. Emotion. Okay, so maaring itong first half ng May can be emotional for you. Like, may matitrigger na emotion, can be relationship, or your emotions towards your career. You may be dealing with something that is close to your heart. Okay? O mas magiging sensitive ka ngayon sa nararamdaman mo. Kasi ibang Aquarius medyo detached sa emotions nila. Okay, you have, surrender. Anything na hindi mo kontrolado, isusurrender mo. Kasi, syempre, wala tayong magagawa eh. Yung mga bagay talaga na nangyayari sa buhay natin na all we can do is to surrender and just leave it all up to God. Okay? Lalo na't kung alam mo na gawa mo na yung best mo. That's why may emotion here. Merong emotion kasi maaaring emotional ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go, i-surrender. Okay? Kasi maaaring ito ay mas makakabuti para sa'yo para mabawasan yung burden mo. Diba? What is the overall energy for Aquarius? You have the 5 of Swords. This is about competition, struggle with your mind. Maaring marami ka rin iniisip ngayon. But you know what? I think ito yung kailangan mo ring i-surrender if you feel like wala kang magagawa sa sitwasyon na to. Okay? Let's see what is this. Tell us something about the 5 of Swords. Oh, okay. 8th house, transformation. Meron change. This is about your destiny, your North Node. Actually, mahirap talagang i-deal ang North Node. It is like the destination na kailangan mong puntahan. That is something na hindi ka familiar, 'di ba? Kasi ang South Node is you already mastered that. And now you are mastering balance. You are mastering loving yourself, taking care of yourself. Maari kasing mas nag-focus ka sa emosyon ng iba. Mas nag-focus ka sa ibang tao na akala mo kakampi mo. So ngayon, you are going to focus more on how you are going to take care of yourself na hindi kailangan ng ibang tao. Now, the challenge, ano yung challenge? The 2 of Pentacles. So, meron kang pinagpipilian dito. Dalawang sitwasyon. This can be sa career, business mo, or anything na alam mong valuable sa buhay mo. So, maaring may mga sacrifices na kailangan gawin. Dahil maaring sa ngayon, hindi mo to pwedeng pagsabayin. Kaya kailangan mong pumili. Now, let's see your opportunity. The opportunity, the King of Swords. As an opportunity, you are stepping into your own power. This is an air sign. You are an air sign. So, alchemy, no? Alchemistic energy rin to. For you, you have the opportunity na magkaroon ng paninindigan na magdesisyon kahit na mahirap yan para sa'yo. you are also becoming wiser. You have the opportunity to learn more at mas maging decisive. Yung bang kapag nagdesisyon ka yun na yun at paninindigan mo. So, merong sense of maturity. Now, what is the blessing for Aquarius? What is the blessing for Aquarius? The Page of Pentacles. As a blessing, meron ka ngayong new opportunity sa pera, trabaho, or business. And you are also learning. So, maaring meron kang blessing of knowledge na tutulong sa'yo para mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. Mas, kumbaga ngayon, mangangarap ka ulit. Kasi maaring yung dati mong pinangarap ay hindi mo inasahan na hindi pala makakabuti sa'yo. And this time, i-embrace mo yung blessing na darating sa'yo. Mas magiging inspired ka. Let's see the energy of your money, career, finances. For Aquarius, money, career, finances. Whoa, you have the Three of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, challenging ang trabaho, ang career, business. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganyang challenge. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, you are emotional about your situation. But, it's time to surrender whatever is no longer serving your highest good. Okay? Sa ngayon, pwedeng hindi natin naiintindihan kung bakit ganitong nangyayari sa career, sa trabaho, sa pera. But this is also an opportunity for you to reassess yourself na meron kang kailangang i-improve kung paano ka magtrabaho, kung paano ka mag-handle ng pera mo. Sa love life, the Six of Wands. So, pagdating sa love life, maganda ang energy for you. This is success. Some of you are in a successful relationship. I think ang challenge lang sa inyo ngayon is yung finances, resources, but you have someone who supports you, someone na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Okay? Whether this is a romantic partner or a family member, friends na nagsusupport sa'yo. So still, that is a blessing of success. Na minsan di natin nakikita yung sarili natin na yung kakayanan natin, but other people see that. So maaring mas may inspire ka sa kanila. Love. Love people, love them with all your heart. Just be sure to love yourself first. Diba? So, may pag-focus sa yung sarili ngayon. Kasi, higit sa lahat, higit kailanman, mas kailangan ka ng sarili mo ngayon. So, you have to show up para sa sarili mo. Okay? That is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.